Today we will study about the banking, that is chapter number 2 of ICSE Class 10th. Chapter is banking, recurring deposit or cumulative time deposit. Formula which are required here are some of the numbers you can see 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n, that can be equal to n in bracket n plus 1 by 2. Next formula, that is simple interest. If the amount P is deposited per month in the recurring deposit scheme, so n P into n in bracket n plus 1 by 2 into R by 12, because the rate will be monthly, the rate of interest will be charged monthly. So that is why it has been divided by 12 and whole divided by 100. That can be also reduced to this P into n in bracket n plus 1 into R by 2 into 12 by 100, and that will be equal to P into n in bracket n plus 1 into R by 2400 or 2400. Now the maturity value, that is MV, will be equal to P into n plus Pn in bracket n plus 1 into R by 2400. This is the simple interest. So it can be further reduced to P into n in bracket 2400 plus n plus 1 bracket into R whole bracket closed whole divided by 2400. That can be also given as Pn plus Si. Here P is the money deposited per month, N is the number of the month money deposited, rate of interest per annum, that is for 1 year. Exercise number 2, ICSE Mathematics Class 10. Question number 1. Here, if you see in the question, principal is given, that principal per month is given, that is how much it is being deposited, that is rupees 400 per month. Number of the month is 20. Rate of interest is 8.5 per annum. We have to find out maturity value. This maturity value can be find out with the help of this formula, P into n in bracket 2400 plus n plus 1 R whole divided by 2400. So in place of P we can write 400 into 20 in bracket 2400 plus 20 plus 1 bracket close at 8.5 whole divided by 2400. It can be further solved as 400 into 20 into 3, we can take out the 3 common. You see the 21 and 2400, it has been divided by 3. So 3 is outside of the bracket, common taken, we have taken common. So 800 plus 7 into 8.5 whole divided by 2400. It can be further solved that 8000 plus 595. So it will be equal to 8595. This will be the answer of the question number 1. Now proceed to the question number 2. Here principal means the amount which is being deposited per month is given, that is 900 per month. Time is 2 years, so the number of the month will be equal to 24. Simple interest which is given, that is 1800. We have to find out the rate of interest per annum. It can be also done like this: maturity value into 2400 whole divided by P into n minus 2400 whole divided by n plus 1. You see the 2400 in bracket you can write down MV minus Pn whole divided by Pn in bracket n plus 1. Here MB is equal to 900 into 24 and plus 1800, that is simple interest. So the maturity value we will get 23,400. P into N will be equal to, means the total money deposited in 24 months will be equal to 900 into 24, that is 21,600. So just to substitute these values, so rate of interest will be equal to 2400 outside of the bracket. Inside the bracket you can just write down the maturity value, that is 23,400 minus 21,600 whole divided by 21,600 into 25. We will get the answer 8%. It can be easily solved by using this formula. Rate is equal to 2400 into simple interest whole upon P into N in bracket N plus 1. So the rate of interest will be 2400 into 1800 whole divided by 900 into 24 into 25. So you just cut it with the help of 900 and 1800. 2 you will get 24. So 2400 को कट कीजिए, it will be equal to 100. So now this 25 4 is 100. So the 4 into 2, that is 8%. This will be the very simplest formula. Now the question number 3. Here the maturity value, it is given, that is principal into number of the months plus SI is equal to 19,096. Here the principal is per month, which is being deposited per month, is 1,100 into number of the months, that is 16, plus simple interest is equal to this much. So the SI we can work out, simple interest, that is 19,096 minus 17,600. This will be equal to 1,496. Now the n plus 1, that is 16 plus 1, that is equal to 17. Now substitute the value of R will be equal to SI into 2,400 whole divided by P into N in bracket N plus 1. Now substitute the value of P, that is 1100, N, that is 16, N plus 1, that is 17. In the numerator part, SI is 1,496. And now you should just write down 2,400 and just solve it. You will get the answer 12% per annum. This will be the answer. Now the question number 4. Given principal is 400 per month. N, number of the months will be equal to 3 into 12, that is 36 months. N plus 1 will be equal to 37. Maturity value will be equal to P into N plus SI, that will be equal to 16,176. Now you see the P is equal to 400, N is equal to 36. So in place of Pn we can write down 400 into 36 plus SI, simple interest. This should be equal to 16,176. Simple interest is equal to 16,176 minus 14,400. So the simple interest will be equal to 1,776. So the rate of interest can be worked out 2,400 into SI whole divided by P into N in bracket N plus 1. It will be equal to 2,400 plus 1,776 whole divided by 400 into 36 into 37. You solve it, you will get the rate of interest, that will be equal to 8% per annum. So in this way we have completed the 4 questions. In the next video we will get the next 4 questions of the exercise 2 of ICSE Mathematics class 10th. That's all. Thank you.